Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be talking about 5 such products which are hyped in the Indian skincare market. After using them for a month, I'm finally giving my final thoughts on this. If you are curious about the products and my thoughts, then stay tuned. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm Maitrayee, Halder. I do make a lot of beauty and skincare related contents mixed with a couple of contents that I really like. So if you are into that genre, then do consider subscribing and hitting on the bell notification to get notified every time I upload. Also, do not forget to follow me in my social media accounts where I'm the most active and you get to be a part of what goes into my videos, including my Instagram where I do a couple of live sessions to answer back to all of your skincare or other concerns. First product is the one thing Centella ASIATICA extract. This product has been hugely trending in the Indian skincare market, and for the right reason. One thing products are great because they only focus on one thing and they bring out the best of that product. Now, Centella ASIATICA extract or Go to Cola or Sticka is great for calming down your skin. It is great for your skin barrier. It controls your acne, and when you repair your skin barrier, you get rid of all of your other skin concerns such as acne, dehydration, and whatnot. This product can solve it all. This is a great option if you do not want to invest in chemical exfoliating toners, nor a simple toner that does do nothing. But this product will help you to calm your skin down whenever you are using any kind of potent active such as retinol or you're using any kind of chemical exfoliation. This will create a perfect base for you for not only your products to absorb better but also to calm your skin if the actives does irritate your skin. The only downside is the pricing is a little bit expensive than your traditional 500 or 600 rupees mark. It costs something about 890 rupees for 150 ml, but so worth it. You can also try their other extracts such as Bifidobacter and which is one of my favorite, 10% niacinamide, and a couple of more which I will mention, including all the products that I'm mentioning in the bottom box below. Coming on to the next product, which is from FOUNDRY, and this is their overnight acne spot corrector. This is a product that has been loved by me and my boyfriend. Both of us love it. This is such a overhyped product, but I believe it is worth it, 100% worth it. And this is a product that will help you not only calming and reducing the swellingness of your acne, but also reducing the acne on the span of about 3 to 4 days. The only con of this particular product is that if you have hormonal acne or if you are suffering from acne that you have already popped, if you then apply it, it will create a scar. So don't do that. Just apply it on a normal acne. It won't leave any kind of scar. But don't pop your acne and put this. You can put pimple patches instead. If you have accidentally popped your pimples, you can put pimple patches that will heal that skin, but don't apply this. It has a potent mixture of sulfur, salicylic acid and calamine. Sulfur and salicylic acid are great acne banishers, while calamine on the other hand calms and cools your skin and also soothes your skin. So it's a great choice in terms of that. You can easily take a cotton bud, dip it and then apply it to your acne. Don't double dip it. If you have dipped it and used on your acne and then you need a little bit more and then you're again double dipping it, don't do that. Use the other clean side of the cotton bud and then apply it. The reason why you don't do this because you don't want to inhibit the bacteria in this product, because this is a healing product and you don't want to infect it. It comes in two sizes. The small one retails for 500 rupees, the big one retails for 800 to 900 rupees. So worth it, so worth the hype, and I totally recommend it. Coming on to the next product, which is from Dot & Key, and this is that 20% vitamin C face serum. This product comes with a powder activator and a liquid base. I was really curious about trying this product because it is a L-ascorbic acid based product. It also has ferulic acid, so I was really hopeful for the product. Plus the price point is brilliant, 600 rupees for this. It is a great dupe for the Clinique vitamin C serum, but it didn't suit me. Now in general, 20% vitamin C does tend to irritate my skin, but over the time span of about 2 weeks, it doesn't irritate my skin that much. But this product, as soon as I applied it, it burned my skin. I don't know why. It didn't go well with my skin. Maybe because L-ascorbic acid in its pure form my skin hates, because I am more keen and more driven toward derivatives rather than L-ascorbic acid, because I have a very sensitive and reactive skin and pure L-ascorbic acid irritates my skin a lot. So for that reason, I am not personally using this. But if you are someone who is looking for a great alternative for the Clinique one, this is a great option. If you are looking for a L-ascorbic acid serum or a vitamin C serum, if you feel like if you are using vitamin C serum for a longer period of time, it is not doing anything for you, try a L-ascorbic acid based serum. It will give you the result that you are looking for. I didn't find any kind of fragrance ingredient, so I believe it is fragrance free. For me, it didn't work, but it might work for you. In terms of pricing and quality, it is amazing, but for me, it was an ad. Coming on to the next product, which is the Simple SOS Clearing Booster. This one has been hugely raging in the Indian skincare market. Shamapti talked a lot about this. I was really curious of trying it, and it is my third bottle, which explains it all. Now this particular product is serum, come spot corrector, come calming cream, come barrier relief cream, all in one. This is a great product. It does has niacinamide and zinc, I believe, which does controls your sebum production, but in terms of like hydrating ingredients, it has a lot of humectants. It also has witch hazel and thyme that are really great for calming your skin. Some people are not really a fan of witch hazel, but this one, trust me, it calms your skin. It doesn't do anything but only calms your skin. Sometimes it can work on those a little bit of acne and blemishes that you get. It does a great job in reducing the swelliness and redness, but yeah, it is a great spot corrector, great as a serum. If you talk about the pricing, 250 rupees for 25 ml is amazing. So technically you're paying something about 500 rupees for 50 ml, which is a great bargain. I think one would last you at least for 17 to 18 days and you only need a little bit. It comes out thick, but when you apply it, it's very thin, very lightweight. It's slightly sticky, but once you top it off with a moisturizer, it is amazing. Coming on to the last product, and the product that you guys have been requesting me a lot. This is from Aqualogica and this is their HYDRATE sunscreen. Oh my god, you guys requested so much for this review, and I've worked with Aqualogica before. As a sunscreen, it is brilliant. It is broad spectrum. It comes with the protection of SPF 50+, PA3+. It is super lightweight, doesn't leave any kind of white cast. As a sunscreen, it is brilliant, lightweight, non-sticky, non-greasy, and it also comes in a pump packaging. Plus the price point is brilliant. I think you get this for about like 300 to 400 rupees. Sometimes it goes as cheap as 280 rupees and you get about 50 grams of product. I have used a lot of Aqualogica products in the past and I believe this one is their best product so far, and I highly recommend you guys to try this one because this is one of the best sunscreen available in India and it lives up to its hype. So hey guys, this was my video on hyped up skincare. Let me know how you think about these products in the comment box below. If you want me to do any dedicated review of any products that I mentioned in this video, do let me know the same. Like this video if you like my content, share this video to any of your friends, and lastly subscribe to my channel, hit on that bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. So bye bye and take care.